kids, let's learn phonics. A. A says ah, ah. A for apple. B. B says b, b. B for ball. C. C says k, k. C for cat. D. D says d, d. D for dog. E. E says e, e. E for egg. F. F says f, f. F for fish. G. G says g, g. G for goat. H. H says h, h. H for hen. I. I says I, I. I for ice cream. J. J says j, j. J for jug. K. K says k, k. K for kite. L. L says l, l. L for lion. M. M says m. M for mango. N. N says n, n. N for nest. O. O says ah, ah. O for orange. P. P says p, p. P for parrot. Q. Q says qu, qu. Q for queen. R. R says R for rabbit. S. S says s, s. S for sun. T. T says t, t. T for tiger. U. U says U for umbrella. V. V says v, v. V for van. W. W says w, w. W for watch. X. X says x, x. X for xylophone. Y. Y says y, y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z says z, z. Z for zebra. Great job, kids! You did amazing today. Keep learning and smiling. Bye-bye!